Hi guys, we're here in Nandaime and we're gonna be shooting the rural area where you're gonna be able to see really nice waterfalls where like nobody knows where they are.
Well, we're gonna be walking but biking most of the time, and we're gonna see a lot of horses, we're gonna see a lot of cowboys, and we're gonna see a lot of cows and a lot of people drinking. So yeah, we're gonna capture that.
Today it's a very special day for Nandaime because they're celebrating Hipica.
And that's a festival. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna capture that so that you can see how it is.
So see you guys.
Good morning. It's about 6 or 7, and as you can see, like, light is just coming in. It's very peaceful. We're at the family farm.
Back we can see a lot of teakwood or teca. These are just the small ones, but we're gonna see later on like the biggest ones.
It's a snake on the road. See? No, it's gone.
Belly waste, that's how we call it here in Nicaragua. And it's a crossbreed between sheep and goat.
So here you could see the bigger teak trees that we were talking about earlier. You just saw the baby ones. Now you'd see them a little bit full blown. Right, this is lunch. It's a soup with chicken and some veggies like potatoes, squash, and you see some tomatoes there too. Waterfalls, here we go!
Hey baby.
Hello.
We're on our way to the waterfall, finally!
We had to cross the river. It could take you like 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how fast you go. But we're gonna check how it is. Look, they're looking for food. Like if something fell to the river.
I'm not sure if you could see it in the camera, but you'd see little fishes. They're not tadpoles, they don't look like tadpoles, they're legit fishes.
So we got sidetracked a little bit on the way to the waterfall because we were hiking the river, but we saw this spot. Just look at that, like moss. It's really green because of the rain.
For all those people who like to take pictures and like with a really smooth and beautiful green background, this is like amazing. I took like 100 pictures right now. So that's why we stopped up for a little while, and we're really happy because I took really nice pictures.
What time is it? Like 12:30, right? So as you can see, the sun is like really high. We got a late start today, but it's all good. And we're just going through the river so that we can get to the waterfall.
A happy little mountain.
Yeah.
Hey, there's some butterflies going around. That's cute. Ah.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. Maybe in our world here, a happy little mountain.
So it's time to head back. We need to still go to the city and show you guys how the festival is. Look at the fishes. Ah. Oh my goodness.
That came from the river, no?
Yep, they come here to the river to get some fishes for lunch or for the dinner, right? There's some kind of difficult parts to cross the river, so you might find like some
Fallen trees.
you might find some fallen trees like this one.
Okay, what happened?
Look how my stuff got wet.
We're gonna be back where we started from, and we're gonna be off to our next stop today.
Yes, we're gonna have lunch and get some drinks. We're gonna rest a little bit and go to the city and show you the festival, guys. By the way, that waterfall has no name, so we're gonna call it Rio Medina Waterfall.
Everybody's with their boots, everybody's with their jeans because of the horse festival.
Wow, it's crazy over there, right? But it's fun. I mean, people get super happy. It's a lot of fun if you like it. If you don't, just stay home, right? The Hipicas is not our thing, right? But it was pretty entertaining. I love seeing the horses. They're really pretty beautiful horses over there. So I think we're good.
It's been a long, productive day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. And see you next time, okay?
Hoi, mijn naam is Lotte.
Hoi, ik ben Esra.
En we komen uit Nederland.
En jij kijkt naar Inbetweenmaps.
Doei!